Now, I wonder what you are thinking as you look at this absolutely lovely setting. Imagine for a moment that you are sitting and this is your view. It's the end of the day, the end of the week, maybe it's the end of the month, or even perhaps it's the last day of the current year. And you're sitting there and you have your beautiful, warm drink on the table. You're looking into the fireplace and you're saying, yes, it has been an amazing time. I'm sitting here and I'm really happy with the way things have played out over the last while. You're feeling the sense of accomplishment that has come with all the hard work you've put in. Perhaps it's at a time of retirement, or you're your first or second year into your new business and things have gone wonderfully and you're satisfied. You're looking ahead to the next phase of your life and you're saying, wow, I cannot wait to see what's going to happen next because all the back work is starting to fall into place. Now, that is the case for many people who have taken their future seriously. They have put thought in and they have overcome their challenges. They have found the right kind of help and support that they need to bring about the lifestyle and the life experiences that they absolutely want to have in their life. Now, if this is not you right now, if you are not quite feeling the feeling that this fire is supposed to be giving you, this fireplace with this cozy drink, then listen on. You see, we actually have to create the world we want to live in. And to do that, it is not necessarily about the house and the car and all the material things. It is, but that comes later. Step one, to have those things, is to do some self-work. It is about knowing who you are on a deep level, not hard work, but challenging, because facing ourselves is one of the toughest things that we have to do in our lives. But if you want to create a lifestyle that fits with who you are, then you have to know what you want. And sometimes doing that on your own is not as easy as it might seem. But once you have a vision of what you desire your life to be like, because you've done the work and you've said, yes, more of this, less of that. Yes, I like this. No, I don't like that. Sifting and sorting, as some people say. This is the way that you begin to develop who you are, and so you attract the life you want to have and create the environment that you want to live in. None of us want drama, actually, do we? We want happy, light, flowing, easy, fun, enjoyable, luxurious, kind, helpful. Many words like that seem to spring to mind as to what people desire for their life. How is it working out for you right now? I'm sure you have some of those things, and I'm sure there's some that you don't, that you would like to have. And then perhaps there's some things in your life right now that you would rather do without. We can help you. Now, Mindblox believes that your voice is your power. We believe that it's not the sound, it's more the energy that comes out. When you are living your life at your absolute best, when you are fulfilled and you have a dream that you are busy bringing to life, that you are supported with people around you and systems around you that really are taking you to that goal, that's when you can really speak up and speak out and allow the energy of your dreams and your passion to permeate and reach beyond you. And that's what Mindblox wants to help you achieve. Help you discover what your true essence is, your true voice, and bring that to your customers, to your family, your loved ones, and most importantly, to yourself. Now, there's plenty of people that we work with, but our mission is to help 1 million business owners find their voice. Could be this guy. Is that you? Or these people? Look at their beautiful surroundings. Look how happy they are. They are living their dream. He looks pretty sorted to me. What do you think? Is that you? Is that your dream? What is your dream? She absolutely looks like she's totally on it and living in the bliss. She's on the phone to an amazing customer who has just placed a huge order, and she's been working on that for a long time. Is that how you would like every day to unfold for you? I know we're having tough times right now, but we always will. It's what you put in and how you plan that is going to determine what happens when that phone rings. So we want to build, with a mission, a group of people, help you with your dreams, create a team feel, whether you're leading from the front or supporting from behind. Whatever it is possible to find a way forward that will stretch you, grow you, and bring you the results that you absolutely want. You see, Mindblox's vision is to increase the impact of small business success on the economy by coaching business owners to increase their business confidence so that they can perform more effectively, to get better results that generate more customers and higher earnings. Is that something that sounds attractive to you? Because if it is, then this is where we like to begin, with blue sky thinking. When you have a big, hairy, audacious goal that freaks the heebie-jeebies out of you, you are starting to get to the place in your life where you can now start making a difference. If your goals are far too simple and easy and basic and mundane, are they really going to excite you? Are they really going to get you doing different things and discovering things about yourself that you need to know to be able to achieve them? Well, when we start with you, we look at your big, hairy, audacious goal, and if we think it's not big enough, we help you find a way to stretch beyond what could be achieved in your lifetime. That's the big, hairy, audacious goal. And then we bring you all the way back to where you are right now, regardless of where you are on the stage of your development, and we help you shape the way forward. We do this in many ways with our Planning for Success workshops. We've run 2 already this year in January and April, and now we've got one coming up on the 10th of July. But don't worry, we keep rolling them out on a regular basis. So just check in on our website, because there's always a workshop here. It's 3 hours. It is busy evolving into a 12-week mastermind. There is a lot coming, but step 1, do the workshop. Discover what it is you want to achieve and discover how to begin to achieve that. The moment you get invested and you understand the commitment that is asked of you to bring your dream to life, and you know what steps to take, the world is your oyster. And we at Mindblox absolutely want to help you do that. So are you up for joining us this Saturday or another Saturday going forward? Yes, Saturdays. Do you know why? Because you're not at work. Because you are focusing on your development, on the growth of your business, whether it is big or small, just starting out or 10 years old. It doesn't matter the size. It doesn't matter where you are on your journey. Getting the right plan in place can be key to the successes you experience going forward. If you're tired of the results you're getting and you want to get better results, this is the place for you to start. So, back to the fireplace. If you have to project 3 years from now, sitting down, looking at that fireplace, how would you like to feel? Just think about that. And if the way you want to feel is important enough to you so that you're prepared to take the journey that you're going to have to take to get the results you want, then please reach out, send me a message, and I will send you details to show you how you can make that happen. Take care. It's Tess Day from Mindblox. You can go to our website at www.mindblox.co.uk and find out more about what we do. Take care. Bye for now.